winning tomorrow. Many abema from the NDC side Asarbedia creative for NDC national organizer so and Amaule Akpe Peter aka Abro the Abro man sa yesterday kowa na yene Abro no odwane jame e ma show no e ka me nkwa enemy dia be ma lumba enti no ene obeba show you so manage so but we're going to talk and talk some more when it comes to amanyosem any creative arts na dey no na obehwe no obi bedi o mampani ana so bi po mampani dia na ohihia nkofo na say no His Excellency former President Mahama ebehia creative arts industry no wo Kumase Abonten so to precise Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology so and nko bebre so ene we'll talk some more. You better dive into detailed into this conversation. Na ya share say in fact no more dey go akwa mu say nyame adom na say Ghana for yeto aba e de man say omra na omeye mampani a obeye e de ama creative art industry no obetimi akoso aya na 2016 okay be say be see theater any ade and I don't know whether the theater were actually built or not. You be doing come more area for home and no pay. Your man for fun ya no more they can be an assistance. As MPP by almost promising be brave. Were they able to deliver or they were not able to deliver? And I said they have about the guy and I laugh before I the show boy. Or no many no or paki edubum feature ho now for going say last hour no let them nasa no you go yesterday I was so impressed 2 days ago to precise craft I was too happy to see normal kesia under the MPP Adam Kokufuado one more aye schools and oh my god roads it was beautiful na beside me on say the communicators and any aboma no sama mon kana and I'm India and I'm anyway it's all good. Ghana so and I me so such na vote wisely. Once let me see train wisely no vote wisely. And yes so be ma obi no akota about vote na say. No say me future for the next 4 years no. Say na me future. Me ne me ma the future sebi ebesia fa akọ. What you say snase consider policies upon policies. Share snase policy we beboa policy we say bi onipa we so the bar because how will be one room and so be fikesi mu a sa policy we metimi akoye wo ho ana sa no ma we nyina no I will say with me considering but truly don't get offended but that's the truth obi si say bi so say bi enya ajo obo be you so be you na say and how will be kuma sifika kakapa na sa policy we metimi akoye obi kuma sifie me back when the kitu bi no me mbo policy ni din die ba wa wot na sia side we metimi de si ha na my side we wa ha ye ntumi ana no no sa policy no be ya na nka wa ofi na nka eja wati my sa policy no ba ye rent compound houses ni ade kuma sifie wetin sa policy na ko wa na and then also you consider obi the other about to say we dey my children will benefit me ha me to kuma sifie o me to kuma sifie o ebetimi abua me ama me ho ahare me put into consideration sanoma we before you vote tomorrow pachote enka so say nipa we dey no we movement we dey say obi wa no differentiate we kramoni we ni alatani frafrani so no sit down you nipa ba ko na shenko for policies tina say policies gene wo kind come pachote I say me pay the obo bet petrol sa me pay the obo bet petrol and one of my biggest problem buying of fuel is my biggest problem. Yeah, I'm telling you this morning. Me sorry na doing na watch me say tank na ko empty pa na me ko failure. Eno kwa na ma honhon say ya so bi aka me. Eno kwa what I say enti no nyame emoye nyina na ye me ye ni na ho. Na you vote wisely. Vote wisely o. Vote wisely. And yes I was so be 4 years was so be Okay. Wow. You're live on Facebook. Come on, TVGH live on YouTube. Come on, TV. Sam Darko's initiative. Sam Darko's TV. We are also streaming live there. We did Eddie Diane. Doing it as down coma. Odi for even for bas something quick. Papa wa Jape Chrome or say with this Shabia and I do Mokano or in normal basa more bro and young Kelkran for. Papa saying I say not see Yemra Jape Chrome now. You be P more. Ordinary do be kind my yarisa etimi aye yedia sanso ena ni sack professional painting so no omo ekra mo den I read me de bro looking for a professional painter I'll be paint to fie edia ama sebi ofie ho etwa brightens what the answer obefre any sack for me na ma no mo ye wi awa be say yes ɔde no sebi nsano adwuma efe nti frɛ no baabi a obia no ɔsɔ bɛba na wabɛyɛ di amabo no so ɛda form adwuma kɔ mi no wei ɛna no pɛ sala no mu kra me mu ama yɛdi dwumadi ɛbrɛw ɛnɛ yɛni nkɔmɔ wɔ hɔ ansa na babedwafo bɛtena se na yɛdi nkɔmɔ twetwe no ahyehyɛ so no me papa Pambo Michano, Chief, my darling, good morning to you. I hope you're well inside US. Good morning. Yamenka, Hombrakwe, America, also Michao, baby, bia. I don't pay me papa Sasaku, Sada, papa. I don't pay me chow, baby, bia, Yame, on your case, on your Akuma Swadi, now, and far, and mouth, or Basti for your chairman, United States, Nabija for your hoy, chairman, aunts. We are Mansumi, Miss Wazan's mamma, Bisa Bemo, Bashanyame. Ujira be kpakpale na obwa be eleke bia mo be wala Oja sempa furniture works ye chiamo na no person so and akela kuma say ye chiamo MC afo so meche chiamo na mumra ha say we bibi mo mehwa de bi e wa ha e ma MC afo na mi chiamo bi abeka na chi ti mumra sa so and no pay no brate ne dani boy baby a obi anso no ye be chia papa Regan ye be chia mu nyina a mo hwe dwumadi ene ya che me nim se bebre aba ekobi se dan omo mana ye chia mu nyina e baby a mo bia no prince ye chia mo ye chia prophet Martin e wo Adam Kwame good morning to you all ene bibi sa say ema oba eye amanyosem a eye anase enye oba ye amanyosem a eye can a woman do politics because me nua ba bi say me pese me bonidi wagina so pese eto ne so aba na okoye MP na ever since okogina so pese eto ne so aba no be MP no atem didie left and right and center idien sem fatase wo so omode frɛ no eno omode frɛ no sebi enkofo bi timi di na tema ka se sebi eson sebi enyaado obo ba sibra enti ye krom ha bibini krom ha daki krom ha Ghana ha ena sebi mesemi count penifo monimu a oba ya amanyosem a sebi eche say sebi mpese we use the raw word like sebi oye tutu ni ana adenti na ya na yesa adenti ena wo say ye yesa na bema de oya amanyosem a sebi ono de boni ni no ho adenti na ye yesa ena no pay give me a call me nua bema brother bedru de na answer no betina se no let's talk give me a call 0202 668461 0202 oba eya amanyosema eno chese obo be sibra ana sede enti na wo say yes sir why do we do that emema nkwa na wo omo ya amanyosema ana sebio oba gina say mpese me MP a eno chese obo be sibra wo say de sade no etage no tai oya amanyosem ti sebi oyi tutu adentia why is it so na mbisa lady say aden osidan me I won't mind them but mpese obisa omo say obaya amanyosema enya ana emema nkwa na wo so omo ya amanyosema ana ene ye nim komo 0202668461 frame yache nensu no borem anope meda achika ase achika ena mama this beautiful so me friend Jesus so me friend Topo thank you so very much Osidan no rock it for me so achika Obapa, Nyame Israel. I think I like it. God bless you for this beautiful outfit. Now, answer no, Abraba. I'm being tempted to talk to him. Abraba, and no pump Prada, no, you are better for better space for answer no wako. I say I'm a bed, when I'm person, maybe say, into unia by me business, into whom patronize it. Won't turn on maybe me, Jessica. And then I will have a call on the line. I'll come to you. Buy new shades here. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Obapa Daya.
Me pacho Regan, I want to say.
Nyamiadom Daya.
Nice one. Nice one.
Namoso
Nyakopa Daroma, yes, you're here, pa. Regan Pacho, Obaya, my Yosema, and Yan, was here, the DB friend, Anna.
Daya ne. Oba oyenipa o. Oba yenipa. Eye so oba be ama yosem by the earth time power Ghana yamamu ane yamanyosem. See at the beginning too much. Political party be amanichi on. Omo kasa ba ku mienu a na ayete beginning. Omo mpanyinfo omo nkola o se da wono mo ya agreement kakra bi a na aso mo pese mo di watemu a ma ne broso ga die ne eya bia kai ewo man ga na papa sa tu political parties ni atendidi de dos ndoto sabi oyobi maame oba na o yes amanyon sen ono so oyobi maame oyobi nia oyobi eni pepanyi bi ba yen fa eni die ma yahu atendidi ni too much me the din perifo temuro fro sa eniema na esi ehwe ni etini yi sa ne manifu na babu because oba o ye man yeso ma na yede
yeah
so ye ko parliament say ma o ma bebre o ho nti sabi ye na ye sa nti ke ye mu bi ma me ana ye mu bi yire a nka be ebe ye de say be yo mo sa na ye sa ne man na ti jai enya sa ti bi mu ani anyamo kasa dia ense fatan amwa ama Daniel amanye semko yi
okay
meda wase
ya meda sepa Nyame Israel ye jai sage no ba ya ma yosema na ya target no na the DB friend no and o you say why we like that why Ghana Nkwa. Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Prophet Martin Adam Kwame. Obambacho, I want to say.
Obapa Nyankopon Yesu no mpaibo ya hoye pa. But there's also hoye die.
Nyankopon Daroma me hoye pa yinti wa no pay. Obaya manyosa
Da
pa enya.
Nyankopon ase. Oba hima ba ho fe. Me pa cho nti studio ho a ku program enyefe. Ukunu oma no obuhie nyina ni agye. Wa wi die ke da utu si ya dressing watade adisuo. Nti enye ni munyam. Pachu nto ba no aduane ma odi a eno nko a na ya na asesen ye drum pempenso bi a ya no makotu Bible mu nyame ka semfa hantan ene ahobrate ho didru be wose mu fa ni ewu ade siesie mo na yesu fi leba the spirit the sons of God tikso sum se won konko ba betre mu no a kire ode ho ni die ni ho o drum pempenso bi o si e macho in certain things I didn't know buy my Yosema Ayabone. Again, a fair day. And I can say, we could really. First, how, mammy, Okobobola, Okonoma, Atia, as Yakubra. Abra American for the year, mobile, year Janet Coho. How? The brain and when? Come on. You my animal feet. I mean,
Yamishra, so Papa Wakadina. I'm picking about 2 or 3 more calls now. My bra Kwabana Yabura Yesemin because I know he has a lot to talk about this morning. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Diane.
Now what to say, Adriana Ba?
Diane, I'm going to more Adriana, but I am more than Papa, Diane, Jones, more than Papa. Diane, put him on me, Mamantia, or the queen, and Mamantia, Caleb Marty, that Mentia, and that's the one with you, don't have Mamantia Caleb Martina, then see the farm and out there for you.
Okay.
That I meant to Mammy and ticket looking to me, Papa, for you, a blank, I mean, show me your phone, I mean, show me. More, I mean, come on. I mean, tell food is I mean, show me the deal of Papa.
na ɛno ate na bɛyɛ ate na nsa na ɔwɔ program kura kuma wuti kura na ama nti bi ɛhɔ na nkɛre kɔ bɛdwuma eti da obiara wɔde ɔpɛ nti sɛ da ɔbɛ gyina politicians yɛ da nyɛ bɔne o ɛsɛ sɛ Ghana ha na mesrɛ ka ɛyɛ kura sɛm amanyɔsɛm Ghana ha sɛ ebi obi amanyɔsɛm nkura sɛm da obiara gyina a ɛyɛ atɔm bi da ɔbɛkɔ a ɔmo bɛgyina gyina nti no ɛnimdiefo osɛ obi kasa kyerɛ mu a da yɛ anam ewura akɔkɛ da afɛ ne obi di ɛnti na mo sɛ amanyɔsɛm ahemfo nyɛ da nka amanyɔsɛm nka ahemfo yɛ nka ɔmo kuro na nka bidi so ɔzɔyɛ wo ka no wɔde bi bɛka ne korɛ ɛbɛyɛ a akora ketewa de bɛgu na sɛ ɛni na afɛ ɔbaa a wɔyɛ no ɔbaa da yɛ ɔdi amanyɔsɛm anim a da yɛ papapa nka maa kɔ na mede nka mi bi ameka bɛsi nka ɔbaa kɔ na yɛ wɔn ampanyin kura nka mɛsɛ adi da meka sɛ ɛmaa wɔ abadaeɛ ɛmaa wɔ mubuhunfoɔ da yɛ mɛma bɛdi deɛ mpi ne da ne ma ne ma aboro ne nsɛmpo a sa da yɛ ɔmo yɛ no ɛna akɔyɛ da yɛ ɛmaa nsɛm ti yɛ bi o sisi ade ma yɛ yakama ntumi nkama nkuti ɛmaa esi ade ɛmaa wɔ baabi a ɛmaa di tue tumi yɛ da yɛ boa da yɛ kaka meka nyina sɛ ɔmo nya saa adeɛ na ɔmo yɛ maame no na ɔmpere na bibi ntumi nkɔyɛ da yɛ ɔbɛ bi yɛ sɛ bi tɛ bibi da yɛ bɔ mpaeɛ ma no obitumi akɔ n'anim da yɛ meda afo.
Nyame sure last call amra na mema bra kwaba na yene nkomo creative art industry no when there's a topic komo ha na mani jipa because they bia no nsɛm wɔ hɔ nkɔmmɔ wɔ hɔ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛdi last call amra ɛna yɛ brɛ na akɔpa because yɛ very much late momfa ɛnkyɛ yɛn ɛnti last call amra na mema abro akwaba na into as I'm still waiting for my last caller 0202-6684-61 0202-6684-61 and then a big star birthday happy birthday and come the big star brother bakope nyame nyumfra dumo and kwa dumo brother nyame shraw the big star happy birthday and call and farmer sounds happy birthday come on nana jab Pekis nana Pekis from big star DJ Sinana was an ewa woda and happy birthday and call and farmer was I think 7 for baby let me end the phone in right there now remember me sweet brother Akwaba or yet national PRO welfare for Film Producers Association of Ghana. That's the FIPA, right? Ranye. Bro, what I want them. My film.
You can say me no neighbor Shams E. And the last campaign was a queen and mini Yabana. I know you.
My film. You're looking nice.
Thank you very much.
I like your watch.
I
like your watch. Let me know if you like more. Let me say if you like more.
See that? Show Nancy.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
I had always see a food try now. We share bracelets and down south chain down. Wow, damn you. That I'm ready now.
What's my sister?
Oh, that I'm do. I think for this year, the Yame Bay, I feeling query, but I am not familiar. Because which I can say, the anticipate baby I are you should be come here jail.
Yeah.
And we had 22nd December, my birthday.
Wow.
And you guess a life begins at 14. I'm in tears here. This year, I mean, I'm coming 42, 43.
Hey,
I'm a grabber. Jama, you be a slam and go.
Why are they?
I met that Madofo Swasi. Which I will see me about which my view to be from. A diamond say, and my town for some don't want to see. You see, when they are not there, they will be hands,
Well, let's dive straight into the creative arts industry. Comparing these two political parties, MPP, NDC, and the Fourth Republic. Why the creative arts industry? What do you get from them? What do you gain? What achievements so far? Because less than a month ago, and His Excellency former President said by this creative arts industry, I will come in Kuma University of Science and Technology, which are supposed to be there, but I'm in now, in fact, in Komobe break, so sometimes Mr. Large so any more edding come yeah. What's achievements and and still they want you people to vote for them.
I mean that's fetch my voice.
Kafra me so cry me voice.
Mami fa kunye sunchia owura sabdakus.
Great.
Medanasi pa I think
Papa one.
So yemfi.
Oh.
Baby I'm a boss mu na me no ko.
What Jane jam.
Last week me no ko. Oh ya can say no ba.
Baba.
Me sabdakus dey come up.
Nice one. Sorry now, I don't mean sorry.
I'm a busy. And I've been yes, I'm sorry you.
Meaning power. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Then let's go back to the creative act.
Nice one.
I think Michelle MPP are talented here.
Yeah.
It automatically make us make us MPP.
Exactly.
But judge me after my kasa.
Okay.
Say no kwena make you know.
Nice one.
I am trying to make you know. Then aban bia ba any political party be so in power bia no. We hear nimpa omo influence.
Okay.
Which me I influence nimpa.
Okay.
And those people mostly are the creative act people. Like yourself, myself, Asaribediako, Ejako, Lewin, if I say Obi Bo mana or TikTok or sa. Ni people those they want to use it. Do we was it? We now born the man political parties. We've had Joel Akobo from BE3 on TV3 the NDC. We've had Ejako.
We've had Daddy Lumba.
But the point is, does the government even take it serious when it comes to power? That's the first question.
Do you see that?
Yes, that's the first question we ask. If you take advantage of us.
Okay.
And if the tia say that, and maybe a chima, now person we a movie actor and a movie actress and a bad TV show basia. Yes, we could shini ba.
Yes,
and it's your person who is argument. It's bona or bano peno, mistakenly or by chance. Obenya director, you know, ada. Now I know, and I saw anybody we home one with German could be. Abai bi say the beya. I won't forbid Jid say ya the papa the more mind. Yes, creative art school. Tina Kokwada former St. Peter's creative art school is you. But what should be a kuduna is about 80 to 90%.
Okay, but I want to know. Say yes, why munesi?
MPP are buying this. Look at say Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and the boss.
Okay.
NAC creative art school. And Makwan say secondary school room, TVET room, and a creative art school room.
Okay.
The same premises now one the same premises one. Yes, also 2 theaters. One theater for over 2,000 people. I mean me Ashanti region. But over 2,000 people capacity seat one man. It will be Ashanti region. The next theater for 165. And that one was meant for school for no program B a BOB and a refreshment going here in public bureau. This was it. Now, creative act. Woman COVID so. After COVID. Now don't go for any MPP buy. ASA my grant. If I say you and movie producers F5 pack 4 forms. Me enemy president, any one guy will craft 5 and he affiliate.
Okay.
See a feeling in 100. About 80 to 85 people in your grant for free.
Okay.
So from go show mojuma. Yemche sisi ameno kasi. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia in say. Ebe den na Diane radio presenter. Yenim say Diane Bob Resifio. Yenim say Diane ene mba na busu nyina. Onye du odwane akwa abuchi say okwo mba biu. Ba sia opese okwo abuchi Diane ebe den so obenya visa. Sisi we say Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia dey atu. The last meeting she was say this is the policy Odiegu was say. Now by ne ba who ye creative artist say me tia me national PR. Na me me kwan akọ ebi a film festival bi akosua de bi dia bebo. I don't have to suffer because this in MCB to kwaya they don't suffer because they have government backup. Nti watches obinya side bi dia mind. Yenhwe movie industry sisi ewe. Yeah, kase ye pay say abai bi boy sister. Film Village assemble. Our Ghana say MPP are buying person see Film Village, of which it wasn't true. Now Idris Abba, this American actor ya Ghana ni, on betray Bishop of Nation, Bishop no nation.
Okay.
And I'm also to Eastern region. It's one who say so the way Eastern region ti obetimi esi Film Village ewo Eastern region Ghana had see. It's a beyanka ohene ne man nsase. Na onfanye Film Village. And no na MPP ni mpenifo no ba akokọ abaya man say no. It was so ye Film Village. Nti ebeya aban ni mum nkwaji asase no. Na yemfa man na me Ghana dia. Ba wo hia eba bonti e ka bi si ekwakufu adukuro ebi si ekwa mekoye ntokwa bebre nsa na che dia aban ni hodu dan me ni umi oni yakosku kakra edume ya wo mache ye kasa Film Village e ti se nkuro bibia wo mu bi aban be no betu ka dem se otam be 4 trillion so ko ye Film Village ama creative platform e move and music any possible. It's after COVID. Minister no on your friend honorable Babro Tingisi. And no two people for say yen hwe ye say Ashanti region be person ye twa movies no ye the petition ko parliament ko akoko say yen pin mo mfa Film Village no ko Eastern region mfa mra Ashanti region. And am am say aban na nyeske bi e so mbua the tourism.
Okay.
E Ghana. Now so hwe Film Village assembly can say about tourism.
Okay.
Because between your foreign people will be take videos now they do one see. It's young say here ya ebeboa. Ye call setre Palmine ekopa asase wo. Ye call Chief Jerry Krum Eman ekopa asase wo. Ene ye call na kunsu yin.
Ni na so munyae.
Yin. But ye call no kunsu yin e wonu de. No one started that.
No one started.
But she see no kuna ye Film Village ni bia. Omu take videos na dey.
Okay, so that means na
it's their recommendation the minister say so almost can be able to be shame dia and you go wura but see e be anymore because we think say and you go be at least say that time the minister was saying so $2 million which was grant $100 million at that time was $1 million was 130 billion. So if you multiply the two it was 260 billion. Right proposal for Bejiskan. Fakoshe of Film Village ni mu. Na
omonchoye.
Besi nle.
Omonchoye.
Obi request say skenu strength mo request for $5 million. But if me amunani o. Ba me lesson for 90 years. E mi se wonu ma na otutu a ebe.
Okay.
It is how do we say ambaso. Dan jemhwe de ekosisi me no kase. Okotin fe. Ghana see a person even greater can you boss show near funny per over 5,000. You need baby shower, but when trade fair, the MPP are buying. A bit for the over 20,000. You but Kono be to about 80%. And put here to ya, Yama Kokoku Tiba Culture Center. Media for the Dimi at Tamasemi Magia to them in Pacho. Wow, would not Culture Center and I want to know your push you. Run where I say, yeah, and I see.
Egusuana.
Okay.
The problem here is here creative as for now. After election, we should know what we want. See, I can say after election, but say politics will never be kitchen. You want to say full school creative school is quite as you. Na ya juna bom say. Salad Mahmoud ba omi aba. South school ni there. Whether we NDC ni o, CPP ni o dey, let's fight for them to finish.
Are you guys ready to do that?
That's what I'm saying.
At the end of the day,
I wish my brother Sabediako is here.
Sabediako is coming.
Then I'll ask him, sorry,
are you guys when you're ready or not? Because it looks like there's division.
We are ready.
The division will move.
That wouldn't the funny thing.
And is it because of the political affiliation?
That's the point. A bit more fun personal. A bit more so fun to say we are your baby. Like as I read many as I read at that time by you did boom, yes, boom. Many and I went this and MPP. So must we fight?
No.
But we should look and say, I bind the end of bar or boy. That is the most important thing. It is that minimum there's a share between NDC and MPP there. When it comes to the creative art media, and the idea MPP are buying
Abua. Yes. At the end, I must say, Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, he should add that to the creative art industry. And money is so, palatable for you guys because it looks like they be no more complaining. people complaining and I'm mo she. E dey na mo pese mo.
A lot.
Like what?
But I think in the first place, we expect Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia say, creative art is not about movie and music alone.
Okay.
It's a about first and foremost. Theater there, at least.
Okay.
Ghana, say 5 for the start. At least.
But they promised.
Yes, every politician promised. Okay. My man say, Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, NPP promise will make it because it's here. You school, you theaters, nice. But we want a theater like National Theater. And we say, Kenya the Cassia, it be a bear 5 in the region. Say, be a mature movie like Lewy movie would be a country called Ghana. Then you premiere will be a 5 theaters. Theater be a funny for 4,000. You can imagine the money that is going to make and the tax government is going to make. Number 1. 2, Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. And try say the digitalization of let me identify who are the creative art people, the value of the creative art people. Because Yamuna mind crying. Then I did to be a video.
Of course.
Or a creative art person. Senior to see, Obina didn't to for creative maybe. People have created something that we need to give them the opportunity to showcase what they can do. Yes, I like Mahmoud so bad. Or investing more in the creative art sector. Yenya no boys omugu patase oko Central Market credit this Ashanti made in Pabwe. They need some loans, and I think Bawumia have said this about maybe bank diama these people omo muye duma kakra no obe support it. Even the government has been giving mass log loans in ade, but he's trying to improve on it. And I riba kosua yesterday Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia say equipment to see edutwa production, for music, movie, where they near the papa ba, but no more day. What talk tax and that's solution. So tax. What catch there say, or better to no bar on fancy the team say the first time they on to take their cameras and the music, the better videos they could be a 4K, black magic, it be a red. I mean, better cameras that we can buy. Due to on take the due to the information. And I never could ever say. And then you hear me, pa. Say you can be hear me. Sa telenovelas, yedu chikasa, edu tuasundan. It is killing our culture.
Are you guys ready to give us good movies, sir?
That is
because sometimes we share movie be full of insults and all that. Obit me tonight, no one can say, oh, movie where I mean she me nyashi fa temi nkwa sebi mfanchemi we share Ghanaian movies. Specifically when it comes to the Kumasi, the Chinglish. So the Chinglish movies now, we say, I say, full of insults, my main canisa. In Sebanisa, me, I don't like it. So me, I don't watch it. I prefer to watch my DSTV. At the end, I'm ebema industry, I am attractive to be helped. Nice.
So if government wants to put a stop to that, investors no term $200,000. You are the investor. You have to get a board or measure script for you. Because there are some stories you try Amagana, Kumasi Nyankuo, Deadly Voyage, I Told You So, and then we had a good story. Kuko University. We have lecturers that they can write good stories, but she cannot quote you. Who a movie producer? See, that makes me like I said, will be 100,000 cities and now. The same movie. May I mean to me on Netflix? Do you know why? 1 billion OCD. Say me per camera papa 2 weeks and then 1 month in the channel. Camera no commit to 80,000, 800 million. What about me? Say me per se me did Diane. It's a good content. Yeah, call Netflix. Yeah, call Netflix now compare. Award bi wo hono ya ko jiska kese o na makoto wig bia ye style kura enye yie makeups no kura enye yie na de do you think we get there? So we are pleading to the government say yes on create an avenue bia who a movie producer you can get loan to shoot quality and standard projects say you know me say edu ni TV series yo yi e bumro ko so na de ade yi hwe Matilda Sare de hwe lewo emu de omu ye. It's not about them. They are shooting something. We are trying to go forward. But say, Abanian Bem, no one boys can say, "Me, Jai Momodi, she, at the year, Abrofo area. I'm telling you, they're definitely going to lose. So with the creative acting there, I can tell you, say MPP are buying the body. Almost washing NDC. I won't lie to you. And everybody have seen it. It's here, say, I say, a more thing. But say they are buying it to Cheska the two say. You Cheska will see, and they are two say, find your pine. You Cheska will see. Yes, I'm to be Pama. Because that only be creative artful. Say, me, bro, Miss Kucha movie. Man, funny in Pakura, name 30. Me, man, funny in Pakura. Because stars of a film, young ones were for 5. Costume, makeup, location driver, the obey welfare. Omu nyina ka ho. Ye wia hotel ye koda, rooms a obeje, enyanya obeto, petrol obeto na dinya. So when you factor everything, one production can take like 100 people. And now PS, and the PA one je kwa na enye 1,500, 2,000. Because of koye eduma be 2 weeks. Now who okuma na we eduma 2 weeks, now we 2,000. Escalator. How many teachers dey eduma okuma 2,000 2 weeks? And Chabano and friend infantry the creative art sector. And when we talk about creative art, yes, now by say, and money in Jaya TV so no kwa say ya bonum, friend say movie no kwa that be sad you to see. You bet me to scan your wood, wood cabin, basket women. We can invest unnecessary TV so. Okay. Say the papa, some that was TV so. It means that we can invest money in the creative art, then do more of this, export it outside Ghana, and leave the country of China and Yamaba. I could never tell us what 3 months and I say, Mewa, we would tell us 1 year to meet you. Yes, so we were begging them and say, that creative arts, tourism, quantity tourism in Tuntain. Now, come a creative arts minister. Okay. So that the minister will look at the creative arts in Kua. And I know Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is a listening man who is going to, because the last meeting this year, you proposed a bit Timia Koba, or my creative art minister. Okay. No, only tourism minister, because most of the ministers in the back, I am not almost tourism as more. Now, the young Jessica, MPP are buying the room to call it for year of return. Young Chem Faswa, it means creative art is very big. So we are begging some more bad, but we are bound to try to support them.
There be a creative art industry, no. There be they run to most of the political parties. You say, oh, Mumbai, but I don't know. Say, Mubiti or ma and Kebe, Medochne, Kotuaba, Mobeti, Betuaba, Ayana Munina, no mania break. You run to us. Without the creative art industry, you, the political party, to maybe on my more better senior. Because when you want to showcase in Roma Awaye, Mami Kanisa, you run to the creative arts. Ubodera, you run to us. So how come that you people don't help the creative arts industry? And I say you are helping, but at the end of the day, we are refusing to see or what? Couple of messages about me can be and Sana Maba Minia Abroho. 13 minutes after 7, we're live on Facebook, Komawo TVGH. Live on YouTube, Komawo TV, Some Dark was the initiative, Some Dark with Steven. So, you streaming live until ube subscribe to a channel na wa like a page na wa comment na wa share na for so any be a share. Martin Bonsu said the Reverend Prophet Martin Bonsu watching live from Adam Kwame. Thank you so very much for comments. I'm live on Facebook. Amankwa Bostif says a good morning Oba Padayan. Amankwa, good morning to you. Thank you for watching the show. Bless Sam, that's a 2 p.m. at Santaman point. In fact, Ghana is a peaceful country, so let's actually maintain the peace and love we have in our dear country, Ghana. Vote, umbrella. Vote number 8 for John Dramani Mahama to reset Ghana. Greetings to Dr. Amofa Dankwa. Couple of SMS Abano Upeso Dropodia 0559306325. 0559306325. This is from Kisua Inside the Sunyani said, I am good morning to you, watching you live. I like your shoe, bring it. I don't know why Shaki said, I'll give it to you, okay. So my point, let me know your size. We say size 38 or 39, yeah, I can just Give it to you. And then you bring your deal. Next, I mean, okay. So thank you. No way. He went on by saying that vote wisely, vote future, and vote Ghana. Okay, I don't understand though, but I think say would you try or say vote wisely, vote Ghana, and vote future.
Yes.
And you vote future.
And the future nani. No future. But we are not future. Hey, now Baba any say.
Nana kwati.
Hwe. Me so na no who be professor.
But your bicycle now the man no.
Was saying
Wapa ho.
Me talk from no. Me so na no a professor. And it is true education. Education is very, very important. Me a whole NDC constituency vice chairman. Baby, I'm TV station. Me na me NDC constituency vice chairman.
All right.
John Dramani Mahama catch say. So what 20 million Ghana cedis are open question free SHS because a may has 20 years.
Are you sure he said that?
Oh yes, the records are there. Me I was with him. The records are there. Na ne kufu Dubai. Then enkola 5.7 million over 5.7 million na ko school free. And yen so adi me say me no yet say ya wo classmate fu won ma baby wa ko school odi omo ntimi nduro nti omo adwene ne wa adwene different because of the level of education obi bi tie do ataka say we be fi but obi share o mate be no nim ade ese no pa school wa nkonti otimi bodua okrum yan hwe enim kakra by 10 years to come me fi menya lawyer menya doctor menya teacher menya nurse ebi so beba ofi obenya engineer obenya technician obenya bi ofi say wo lawyer ofi ana na yan pass 40 years be kan yan fi na you do 70 80 years work na wo be a doctor it wo yale obeko conference when nurse bi akochi isi
I want to enjoy grammar myself. So
a
doctor.
That's why I am preaching the God. Me, I left my political party because of PSHS. Shadi me mate for me no go school bogo so this. Any Christian go preach. That and me won't be another row. Omo no muni ma de sem me. Eh? Be and Alesbano, they be me body. Alesbano FSA. Shoemaker bogo so. Madam for Francis J. The last time Michelle went to school, I went to or they should be drugs. And no name where basa. There are a lot of me meta. No move you. Omo 90 for village be 2 hours. Omo sueja. Ebe ton obogoso. Ye to no mo be the money about kwa na wachi. No mo be to school. E be school for them 2 nyina atete. And they were the people that they understand a new book. But then where are they now? Free SHS by. There's this boy. Ne ma me say o wie GSS. O so want me hwe ne ba school. So even o calling free mpa, o nyeska money to aduane. Ti asemi you. And the teacher for almost sharp and primary, almost the primary school Jesus. No, I can't my dear dear. The Beman chop on Mana school on 3 hours. A school or 3 hours. And the school is 3 years, free SHS or you on your 8 A's.
Wow.
Working in Japan at the Aquanico University.
Wow.
Me no Cassie. I brought 4 no go to that class and said, or you nimpa bay. And Kuala every SHS for Kruma. Aladi Mahmoud Bawumia say. Creative Arts School you Kobe. Now me wanna call the free no we are and one over 18 years. Who are Ghana card? All your details on Ghana card.
Yeah.
You see, I use your green card. Yeah, British people say no Ghana card. What do you hear? Who to go bank to use card? Who can send documents via bank because they will need your Ghana card and get your details. It was who we free SHS now. Who did say she and here? Tell your bar. Na nyame wa dom me nkese sign because me say any sign nyame wa dom na wo in the course of your education na wo wi a san ko to school so wo twa wi a de ono Mahmoud Bawumia be en say ya mo Ghana card fa kokoji loan na ko university wo wi university na ya be mo a grace period of 1 year something was settle nyame nyina wi no na for twa kakra and na ban ne say o person ke ye kosa abrochire system yom ye a uti with card o credit score ye adwuma ubetumi akodi nyama mobile phone begibi entire obegibi cars obegibi and one na dey abrochire o that bibie ni abrochire nyanum Ghana for no pe omo chire omo nya nko me frɛ wo no betina fie si etumi esa de ni bo ha
because the credit score
yes na me no tie say baby a uti ebi a wesi hwe ye fa se wo wie we share a personality we will call a bushel or more. Then we do got a compound house, we did what 10% go to die. So you need an apartment, maybe 2 or 3 bedroom apartment. And then Kumasi Yampo, who 60,000, 70,000. Wouldn't you be? No, like my wood by say. Or the sound system in Bagana say. Kona go who feel run. Or so do 60,000. Who was 60,000 review? But men for me feel run. For first and last month, every month be instead of 60,000, every month be 1,000. So I need spend will be about 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Now we need sika. Winning system
and do you think the landlords they're going to agree to this?
Danny, grow a same. A year will say, it's about me and die also. And a pebble about me and that. It is possible. Be beat me see. I'm telling you, a year dance soon you go on the man. But me say, catch the gun of say it is possible. Here Dubai. No money pool. Dubai wait me create a pool and they are told desert so. Amanda, the last time I go be invited me, maybe person go I think December 31st. And say me go Dubai ever. Me beside your plane ticket in go ayakobe 17,000. I'm saying, you go share pool. I go here the business very yard to say I go to 170. Me wo gidi say Ghana so possible say betimi aye. Then when the name say Ghana ni bia otikro me di moko ni jenne e odi momone e betimi awo na owo a ne baby e be fan Kofi Annan akwakoye UN General Secretary. What are you saying? So it is possible. It is possible, say, Mami Oton Bidie, ne baby to be minister. Mami Oton Koko, ne baby to be police IGP. It is possible.
Okay.
That's why we say it's na bani ekoto. It's na 70. Miss, we your ba. What 18 years? We your mami. That's one 2 about from about umia and Polani future what watching. As I'm comparing because. And member podi ye who ye is a man. Go ahead, member. We are near Danny.
Sir.
Member be to me who bear 5 6. On any each one who's going to try do whatever. You yabo bam knock. One wa kuko ba tan the money the chile. It will be a money. You didn't see mommy for. Yes, Lemu. Mo amu mo amu tontuma. Mo amu kwakwanso ba. And then I'm here to book 10 billion come to good for so. Who could do to go some mobile money no send it. Sani money ko. It's young for your money future. And for saying you say. Nipa we in a fella large mamud ba o me ni gi education ho. Say they don't do money ma ama ko free SHS in bo sirem. Ah be di president no. Maami a wuti bogo so. Maami a wuti nzima. Maami a wuti bolga, maami a wuti tamale. Misira say won so ba e ko free SHS ni bia. Obetumi be di vice president. Na me ya aduma obetumi di president. Na yem pek 1 time president. Ma obanu ko school no be 2 times. Say dey Akufo be we 2 yi. Ba o me baba bio no wa share ko 2. Na Akufo dey ba. We are building a nation. We are not joking. And let everybody knows that. It is possible, say,
oh no, Bonnie.
It is possible, say, but I am possible, say, Baunia will take the lead. It will go to
what makes you think so?
Oh, a lot. Yeah, campaign. Now, who could be here? Would you see any per 20? When you are more about me, I didn't know how. And you say, be a almost pamo. Almost some months, but the teacher to call 1 village will teach him and council. Me quadru one. Man, we will come on was no NDC. On one cassa NDC, no, with chamber of Munum Cassinti. While printed t-shirt to quite 3,000 on my move for. Yes, on my move for them, they could take t-shirt too. But NDC with chamber of Munum, no, we are talking about somebody who has vision, somebody who thinks about the future. Not and then it's not the bar, my mama buo, no, my mama cook kitty, no, my mama play cook kitty, you besides the 24 hours economy there, was here, your Benyan Jata, not Jata piano, ah, because a year, Duma, then you blew a puma, not
shift nursing here.
Dan 24-hour economy. I shall like Romo Yellow.
7.
Men for 7 can we order that. Who hospital be a Gonna be a 24-hour economy. Uko fire service be a 24-hour economy. Uko police, uko soldier, uko custom. Ni na 24-hour economy. And then many slide ko share o TV station DLP. I say GBL for be the manager. Nam say dwaman na mpese mo de ba.
Adi.
Na roadway ko twa na. Who roadway? Who da who be twa na. Ye the phone ko na see eto. Ye the phone dey twa. The yan say woni na pese uko eye test na. call now we message naturally. No, I can say just some 3-4 minutes where we call. The system is working. Yes, yama me say mama for madaroma. Mo hwe me amitie ya. Me ya hunani. Na ka hunafo de ye de ani ndisi ensam fete. Ana me anso amitie ya wo me 20 mu. 13 years them join ndisi. Me di party me tia be si time free si chesi bae. Me trans bisa mo say John Dramani Mahama man one national policy a NDC for the aba eye ntuma one pe. Me hwe people me di owura for the start here. Me hu free maternity. Me hu health insurance. Me hu metro mass. Me man na akufo adu me hu sukura no. And the housing ni ba, dagomba ni ba, fafeni ba, asante ni ba, ye nyina ye go school free. And found say buto bidie. And found say we driver. And found say we mate. Obano oni minister ba ana te prepare class. It's a matter of so ba be suade. About your kotu etine. Madaroma. Enye ntokwa. Mimitie wudi mi atama medi ubi. Obo mi a mebo obi. Wo ka se mbone fa mu a meke bia fa. Ebia na wo te se mi a. Otu wa ba wi a kofie. Kuma wo TV. On be ye analysis no ase. Wo do to a na wo tie bi. Wudi awini a waji weni. Okwa abonti na be ko ntokwa enkwa abonti. Go me tumi di awi a me kofie. Na ko tie results. E de ye yi mpelifo bi se omunkan. Na wo so a why wajin say owuo mu ankwamu o say me party win no wo dey vote back e mo bi ndada o kwotwe sekan kwotwetio kwota ballot box go see etwem tisi aso etwe na police fo nya no wo gina tamalekwa na yatufu kuma se tim kan tim siraw min pese obi a wo hwa mi wo yere wo mami enu bi na wo kwa ko wu no ko ja wo ma ho wada wo ma mi siraw yantu abana so bi mu ana mun so ma yese o bi na mentuaba Misraw. Spend just 2-3-4 minutes per na kotu aba. So Ghana card, I first voters ID card ayera. Na woni baby a wo register baby a to aba no chese won to aba ko kotu bi. Wo kwa book ni da ho. Wo bo odi e be hwem. Ye hwem na e de won sa ya verify say ye wo a. Ye hu say ye wo a, wo won price say kotu aba. Je tina MPP fo nyina sorry waka. Ghana fo nyina sorry. Ya kwa kotua Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so creative arts fo ni nyina enu amu amu kwa ndi se musu onu mu ho a mo se me mbeto ma Bawumia no mama mu nyem onum kasa ma cheche nsem mu akire mu se Bawumia ba na eba no ye nkopa cho se pe visa wo ye be kwa ba ye gi ani akọ ebi a school bi ani akọ be 3-4 months go so ade ye da be bo man Ghana se film festival bi a ni enyi akọ bi ni ade aba mama ni nye se ko bokoro no se ko so ade Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia is ready to support the creative part. Possible.
All right then. If Alhaji is ready to, help the creative art industry, that's certainly what we're all looking for. And so maybe I'm going to say, "Mebaho na creative arts no ye ma me no mo just ni omo tonyo no na sebi ye papa no bebre no na wie na kwaye basa then no na almost 6 kan ya de ya die bia na hama kuma pa meba no ba bebisa bra say die na sebi doctor mo be pese oye de boa sanko is it say omo ankasa no mo manage omo finances ye e mani ko do sa anase dey yenti omo kai anase what is happening? How come say sa no money nyina no na esi because you say obi o ekese power of movie industry nim enso na ewie ye no na kwa say o so siska so ma ho kira ba na ya de abome na ye mmoa me na ha me nti abibia ma me ka chem say wudi bia na wasie bi nti na misru eto me bi na miniska na ye me ya wonse na me jire me ho say Ewade e ma ne nkodu bibia ma baby sa obi ska say nipa no ha obesre me. Even if you are my boyfriend, I don't want to ask you. And I'm a fairy. Nti mo konko na me so.
And out to the coins.
That's so coins.
Na me 2 coins where
na me say no me say Christmas maybe so. And 20 maybe it's 22nd. Until be 22nd at the menya no. I want to help 5 people. But say me doing for 5 boy.
But na remember na nyekese. They are carry photo cement.
Mate. And Nyame aduma 22nd maybe me coins no store. Say
ya birthday.
Whoa!
22nd is your birthday.
If you have my drink.
Na be room channel in 5. Na me to nche first nka what. Hey, me number 1.
Of course.
5, Jaka 4.
Bra, me do birthday.
That's it.
Me do birthday.
That's it. But you want to know so many birthday.
Me do birthday.
Oh. Got your caption, got to say dances.
But I'll go celebrate your birthday because you've done well. Me share abra me wo fast here na chese. Bra ho ache no me ko divia na bread di machi. Na ye nam Santa say na
What was English teacher?
English teacher.
Problem for grad time.
E yem no wan twi no nti me nka business. Wo yere no cry no nti o bicycle no na no make her say, "Mommy, I don't like this bicycle again. Buy me new one." Buy me new one. I can't. I'm bigger than you.
Yeah, yes, one.
You know, me yeah na me day say offer and waba. So you are home. So Nana, this is your uncle who gave you the bicycle. So I will take another because I know you're watching. So my me birthday dedication we answer na my basa na e twen ye nua asabedi akon. Up till now onya Obeba. But Brene kwaka few minutes.
Because no oba ba no oba pro gate na. Oni shika
o. Oh shika. Oh shika. Asabedi akon enyamai but my menye birthday dedication we quickly na Brian Fence kakra ngu ni mini mwansa. Happy birthday enkoma upon Stephen inside Sakura. May the good Lord actually keep you in his bosom. May the good Lord keeps you safe. Of course, may all your dreams and aspirations comes through. Nyaminyum Fradumo and Kwadumo is coming to you from your brother Adom Best. I my super darling. I MC Adom and Ediwe Abba. I think my number one producer, my producer extraordinaire. And then when it comes to the politics, Monday to Thursday, or no, and I'll produce Jake Azantilo. Of course, Jake Azantilo, happy birthday. And come on, my number one producer, boss Yaminyu Free Adumu and Kwadu. Yes, birthday na yendra. And so no one you must change him, but it's never too late. I made pastor ebebro. Yaminyu Free Adumu and Kwadumu. When you are kuma swadina and fama or don't kwa and a yeshife. Nini nenya 100+. Na me ba na stella no mabe how again and kaka.
Jake when okay.
Miami Jake.
Hey,
and I put the Jake birthday.
No, you only view.
I only view.
Me, I could have no 52. When you need to.
I say,
I go grow. I hope I brand you.
On say, Yamistrano. Oh, yes, then I will sit here. No, aha, cute. No, na me.
But Belus.
Any you can't decide.
Oh, you know.
Any day you can't decide. And you can't decide because Ghanaians will decide tomorrow.
I'm a Ghanaian too. You are also deciding.
And I
will say, you're Ghanaian. That's him. I'm a Kakachi Kufuad say, the Kufuadi in and free on the Baumia campaign, on the Baumiana contest. Now, the Kufuad were Malini. Or a Ghanaian into Hong Kong was him to
Matiwaka Kakamu. What you have, you politician. Anyway, another happy birthday, come on, Nanaya Pekins. Yeah, is it Pekis? Nanaya Pekis from Big Star DJ. So Nana, happy birthday. Enko Emma Nana Nyaminyum Free Adumo. Enko Adumo. Nyami Shao Nana. Glow. Okay. Just glow. Be like Nyami Shao. Samson, my super darling. The Big Star. Oh, brah. And then your birthday. Unfortunately, and then may Shao. Next to me, say, you are with me in spirit. What I say, they be a no one is simple. Ya Sabiola, Munina, if this birthday wish, if you may hope, if you Sabiola ho, if you lucky ho, Sanso, and if we Adom Best, and the whole crew, yes, saying, I mean, you Fradomo and Quadomo. Now, me Adomo, Papa Edmoko Sika, mammy, and to me, I may washing in our mamma, and to be the day, wedding in our. And Sabiola, let me know, say, me want some me when you some come lucky ana na wa kwajeju o lucky ho and I say obi add the number mo fa number say my boss he say then I say mo vim papa the music abremin no mba cho mo numbers no so enfamra mo so Saviola bring your number, Big Star bring your number, Lucky bring your number, make I push give you anyway. So good morning, sweet loving sister of hope. Of course, hope all is well with everyone in the house. Please send my greetings to my brother from another, another mother. That's a Big Star back. Greetings, director I should greet director for you. Of course, director Atini na Big Star Walandi or the message number. Big Star, so drop your number. If you don't get Momo number, I go chop your money. I beg. If you don't get Momo number, I go chop your money. And you know, when you share now, I say thanks so much, mommy. So bring the number, add the number, make I push your money, give you. And yes, it's kind of a tone so. I have found my kind of a tone so. And you know, yes, I didn't money into soon because it's your birthday. Bruh, on a more serious note, I didn't see a now be no. Yeah, mommy, no, me and papa no more. They've been in the industry for a very long time. My bomb home, do be no. Na sebi. I want you to crab a bomb, a wokwemo, na pay BBO. Doesn't mean they don't actually, manage the finances well. And now say, I buy no and one mama or muntimi, a nyaketi, was a woman, and that is why they go through that. Or what?
That my young in general, not necessarily say creative art form.
Okay.
To judges. To lawyers, to doctors. But here they are audiovisual.
Okay.
Uti e kasa usanhu yeni.
Okay.
And akwa ye problem. But then yen hwa de bi. Obra enwane wawabo.
Great.
Yetie anye ye akuma bosumu jipe.
Of course.
Anye bibia misu bi yeduma bosumu jipe. Na ebi na uka say o ma make say shiska.
Sir.
For nachi.
Yeah.
Me ma me de e akware obugoso. Obi ba na omam sika na makoto to fe na de na menim na mfo ache makoto ball na ache bicycle na matoni asai no na me nyiri ga kare ma me unye sika bo se Ghana Commercial Bank enye sika asie bi o me ni da asem ba enma na ma tuma nnu Ghana Commercial Bank enye sika asie bi o me ni da asem ba from that day na me sua se di sika na sika ko be sebua ko du da ben yenim sikafo a yare amo musikashi. Okay. Yenim businessmen accident. Etwe mo business ni.
So does it mean say fafache me? Does it mean say fa say say ti omo kai ya na yenti omo kai but
me ba ho. Okay. Aketua ni yie no. Aye namfusam a ye ya. Ye di say ejuma. Okay. Na frame say member location. Abro coming co-location. But Diane Timakoto full of 500 come. My co-location so. Me and Koto Median, we production. Now me am about 1,005. Diane with Medina Koya channel. But music and down. Media Mako spending. Now for some a bimu now for some and the Mayan Timan Semiska factory. A bimusu dia kushibra. Scan baba. Oh, and them going production from 2000 with it. It's not Obia from me. I did you Obia from me. I did see a dear scene in the Bible one into be a bit. It's what you say. And the way na star our basu. It's not way na star our basu. And I dear Bakunsua. Ama Bibrina study Bibrini Akasem.
Okay.
Then, even because Obia invitation in Dubai. Me checking my plane ticket. I check him a beer and sika. I check who tell me that. Me go bear 40,000. Me go there.
Okay.
Me go. Me kaise umbogo so. Ya woman na kania ni woman ya 12 years me wo kania. Them me 400 million kubogo so a. Me train ya bear 2 plots. By 5 years if I want to sell it, I will not sell them 40,000 again. I can sell it like 60,000-80,000. This is vision I want to put more the end. But to be there, or person who say, "Wakwa buchie." Hey, I go to here to America, no about. But plane ticket is not easy.
Yeah.
And they be saying you month Canada buy over 32,000 Ghana cedis. Any plane ticket. It's a way a movie actor. Now it's Christmas. We could even go Dubai. We call London. We call Germany. Not by mistake. We call in area. This is a cowabo. Mobi him now. If you go now, ma be woman. Or make your school fees be do baby no. Now we see that bank. I guess you would know that you could your school fees.
Okay.
Then the ones that you wasted, what are you going to do? And I'm Mr. Abai say. Abai was Kebia or the mother creative art for.
Okay.
Ebene Asok. Sa Asok Sikan. Abai still on Jinjinam say. Where your pension pay. Now I'm going to say. Your producer will produce movie there. ska wɔ ho asɔ ne ba ɔbɛhyɛ akɔgye ɛkyerɛ no ɔsra de yɛ wata bi o ska ndɛ asɔ ne ba kɔkɔgye ɛkyerɛ no ɔsra de
So because of a more big expensive or luxurious lifestyle until the mom will go through that.
Ebi de ehu me musician bi a who ni dem a watch silver chains ne ade ebu ni dem no me check me first house na betimi esi asa nkura top plot na me si na kan ebu dem me be say the bank account was say eno na ebu table no so no
Wow.
na me say do you know say sanya ma wato yi ka wo to asase one plot mpo ka ba yi e mfa so be ba so ba we na we use watch am use because am ko ton a enduru bo na me de ton
Dabi.
ana sister me bo
Nobody's going to buy it.
yes it me ka say ka aban no so no on say doctors we dey adwuma e your mind ani teachers e your mind ani creative arts for your mind ani nti e dey kaka na aban di bo e kaka no yes na aban say on find your pension pay by any enya ni enim nyansa. That's the truth. Obi benye scan de na never za brabo ye bi. We okuma wo TV. Ye technician wo studio yi, omo mutwa camera si na die. Obi betimi aka say ye man 5,000. Ni am abro 2,000. Ni am 9,000. Next year be una dan si dai. But the oje 5,000 rupia okowin na ko see this. So we should not mostly blame the government. But abandon to say sika the man no. Said ye adwuma scanning by ye didi na konfanya ye pension pay bi for me. I think that one will help.
Okay.
Yeah.
And see abai no enfanye pension pay be enfa ema omo. But then if they abai the pension pay the amount, it's going to be possible at all, and I tell you possible at all. But
they are doing it too. Like say abai the don't say cameras in ban, pen drive, mobile phones, and abai the taxes.
Okay.
No what TV they are my.
Okay.
Then time I don't start here. First one you who about 40-something billion.
Okay.
E buy na ye koche. I want to me say minjibi. Because yes, me say minjibi. You know what? Me who future ne say ye this kana de bi ehun be kire.
Okay.
Enti na me that's why my friend me produce movies too. Na me propose say e be yan kamoma ye pem nie TV stations be 3. Yan ka be 2 years ka mbom.
Okay.
Na ke mbie ba ko akra. Kumasi ni tamale. Na ke ayi ne say ye kuma wood videos na awodo ko be ko ya ne ajew CD part 1 and 2 am 5 million 10 million. Afi ye ni na wo ye channel so. Sponsors abasu at the end of the year or the month ni aka kwese bia we shareholder. Usika wo me bia 3,000 nti e ba wo point ye say. Abroad ye 1,000 point ye say. And be aka because every month be a producer be benya be didi. But that me no kase. There were producers of no movies be 30. I acquired the cut-off point in the 30. So by could be about 5 million more 30 videos I say. But as I speak to you, some of them are still begging to eat.
And that's what I don't understand because I hear me say, baby, I want to do. They are not supposed to.
Mind be on better be better cool. Na ekoni ekuo papa ebu adom. Na empenifo no entimi hwe kurusu no. Esa aban baby.
Okay.
The reason is say creative art industry Ghana and say metimi aka say yeah you creative no say Ghana have 40 million yeah be 21 million. Do you believe that?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah be 21 million. Tailor for Baba for omo yes NBA omo me uni yenke be 22 million. Parliament si won me ya MPC kwatena no nka omo na mo so dey. It was being created by somebody. Do you see that no or you creator na ko betia Iron Rose Medania gugu omo so. Do you paint wo and the one na na kubo do bi entertain bu akra obechebe lamtedi obi. Look at the artworks it is being done by the creative people. It is a by no say no. Creative art for there. Tell it we are creative art in India, we need packet wow.
So say aban bem.
Yes.
No boa.
Na by no boa because sika we ho. Sika we ho ba o. Ya bi no mo bon we, bi no mo anwo na.
Mo ye kente.
Mo ye kente no. And the kente bo say.
It's true.
Na by na boa na ye bi kente factory bi e wo bon we because I want mo ye more. Na ka bo we ye factory kese bi e dey yam print krampo no. On metimi aye kente bi a be say 5,000 a day krampo na. Then we export it. By a trouble say after China for the Ghana near the. That is why we need a visionary leader like Baumia who will make everything digitalized. You know, who has here ne utimi for phone. Bia kente celeste and switch. Digitalization near the phone so the continue go obi to Germany obi to Holland no share no turn to money be and e pay. me tie say me ye advert mo bu me channel so me to no man obi ti to do 50 million minimum no but be send 5,000 na blame phones na ma me wo phone so na wa send me ni din address to WhatsApp na ma post to the man through post of na me reach the man all is digitalization and the diplomacy then iPhone here be iPhone 14 Pro Max enu echi ma order bi and I'm cancel by sending me details and say e ba be do sa that we see first na ga wetin who go for kojo ko say o come am bi dey e do say ko say telephone 003 we ya ko say of kojo ni we pra because say she fie wura bi dey mu a won't ko fie wura dey me for papa say number for telephone so me so na me ne ba be ma me be papa pa say telephone ring ya ma hello me pacho sister if you am kasa fi Germany kan pese me ni black coffee kasa black coffee dey
wa chira na wa ko free ni pa
da bi o chire me nyina me hu black coffee ban papa dey meeting me ntwe ma no timma ne mba black coffee ko be chira ha no say o ko edimo jam me bu enyi blo ba na afre that me for telephone mo but then
you have access
even when you are asleep so digitalization is very very important very very important man say that Ghana say 40 million about 30 million our bank accounts. Do you believe that?
Yes.
Bank accounts. Accounts are. Utimi ni usika kotuo. Etimi ni usika. Utimi obi koyi. Now once utimi ni kotuo obi ka. And all your transaction. And the mobile money. Through the help of Baumientino, utimi transfer from mobile money to bank. Utimi from bank to mobile money. Utimi from bank e kotuo obi ka. These are some of the things that we are looking for. Now, when was the last time you saw training in Ghana?
Actually.
Was out in Atakwa Kakra?
Metin Atakra day.
That's it.
And you know,
the second day.
Axim, me know the me fo.
Yeah, the Bogo so, Mone Valley Damai, I will be Atakwa, Susani, train that and then Papa Ba, Autima, air condition, ye Juma, internet, ye Juma, it's say train ye go from Kumasi to Accra. I mean, say train between the bear 1 hour 30 minutes Accra. That won't even Yakuma would hear Kobi Okuma and Cray. Won't even go away, my son Bakumas Meda. Will you need to go and rent another room in Accra before you sleep? Let's think about the future of the nation. Maybe you find a man here say, so politics Kadabi. Missy Minias, I would have got my name. I could be blessed in same Europe.
No one said one ma.
Unfortunately, but Mimi, what we Musanya show from Mufre. Some women, because in some American times, we from quite.
Finally, no, a dear in our back cancer major or concerning creative arts industry, no, would GD say in summer, His Excellency Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Kengina no Oba, though was TB. More
Dad, me would GD or Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, dear Warrior Kotoda, or so very cry and challenge.
Okay.
Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, I a streaming platform nearby. Said I'm here my 1st January. I best start to operate. You a whole media person, the respecting him. Hey, you put me on me boom media, me best wife or can be. I beg you, Santana. It's me be Gina here in West. I can say streaming platform and the papa. Now let a folk crying ye be. Into a nadia about me, bet me and intro. I want to say, people still need to go back to school. Free teachers, na free me say win ya pa. Hwe Nigeria for. Omo free alata. Ebe sua acting, directing our Ghana. Nigeria for. And omo bo waka baby, omo bo highlight. They learned it from Ghana.
Okay.
With their population, me say nafty. And then by the help of Bawumia and Abe Kufuor, they are in university. Under the watch of Rollins and Atamas and Mahama. Na for nipa 30. Ghana for 20 na ma for 10. Enti die Kenya ne say creative art for any question be mekwa NDC. But the papa ni nyina ye nyina ya aware say e ya Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia e na betimi aboye. Odaroma echina makafrani asarebedi akụ Christian Awuni big quiz enu ankoma munim die no metie. Mukwa Montuma Bawumia wi a say me kan me amedi monim ni akopa chew na asem de akọ. Nti echina on the 7th December NDC fu amoye communicators mama musimo jai nyina na mo da yeda mo ase mo aye ade so mo aka no kure nti mo a mo tie sankofo no mo se afi de omo boa omo to omo ba omo hu so ono na oye obi a owo vision a obetumi abo creative action tietena creative art for organ nyina ye kokoto e de ama number 1 owo soro ho eye Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ti sa wo so hwe movie wutie radio so TV so a de ye papa no e na ye chire because odo wo maye gidi owo emu enti de bia wo hwe me no hwe dan no enti ye chire wo se si ye kokoto abama number 1 de a misrew entra nko number 1 half and say no bibia Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia da number 1 etena asundwa ba ne koto ye dem wase.
Yes, so yeah, that's 50 minutes after 7 a.m. We are live on Facebook, Kumawo TV, GH live on YouTube, Kumawo TV, Some Darkos Initiative, Some Darkos TV, so it's streaming live, or maybe my line is not from 0202 668461. Quickly, me for course, be 5B now, yeah, storage media, no, so 050 0202 668461 0202 668461. Many bra. Unfortunately, as I be there from the camp of the NDC, and to me, I'm minding them, mini bema abro, and edi jumedi no.
Malope so hwe.
Hey, Malope. Malope one. Malope, good morning. Oh, why are they? Oh, Malope, dabe. I have a call on the line. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, mommy.
Good morning. What are you doing, baby? I'm family free.
Hello, mommy.
Okay. Hello.
Me pata me katape no other rajel kumbungu kwa tupe.
Hey, what to say?
Me hoya pa mami.
Mitawape.
Nyame shira opa, nyame si yanka no kro ho ofe. Nyame shira opa. Me cha mi brand wa ya de wa kata yi.
Okay.
Me fa kwenye we na me cha ho no franco na anodon pre. Ejuma wura. Me cha Alhaji Habib Idris MP di matoko kwa tupe to kunkune. Ayana wa cha mi papa loyena na obil boahin amansan bo afo. Asama mudi asu ya nim no. Abatu aye ko idie. Eno die e asunje o. Obi oye na agin say odi to trust am very die. Ono akasa ni jejeje. Because then tina me kan say ye papa John Dramani Mahama oni ye papa ye bibia Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia osi ade yo. Elesi na ko idie. Ye be to mama free education. NAPCO, 1 district, 1 factor, village, 1 dam, Samal interchange, Bukwati interchange. Nema papa eyo Ghana no enne ebe tu abama. Nyese ebe tu abama nkoko nkitingiti o. Yen tu abama nkoko nkitingiti. Anase ni de ni enjon from instro time. Change sa abatu oni bi. Ente misre Ghana ko obia tu abama number 1. Bida wase.
Mr. Medas say 0202 668461 0202 668461. Be part of the conversation. Family call. Hi, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Mira, good morning, good evening, baby. I'm fairly free.
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Hello,
good morning, madam.
Pacho menti o homo anonko.
Pacho
Pacho tie no honti mu yin fiso na yonko. Esa na wo delay show no. O frame a menti o ho adaroma. Why? Okay. 0202668461. Also, bra, for 6 more minutes to go. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Mira Wadaroma, didn't baby a frame free.
But your Moscow 1 you do go off.
Pacho you, ain't you? Pacho mo anon call.
Mamma Chiaminiana or Chormono. But why are you? You and this is for our policies. We say, won't to me, you won't to me, you won't to me. After you look to me, and so on. Not a deal woman said. On free education, ever. Omo can send the free Omuntimiye, and yet possible by any doctor. Chomo say, Pipia Hoy piano, and possible. And may I mean young monkey to an actual. Oma teach Romania free education in the Koyano. Nanke to free education in the Akuba and yet Yanko. Na so woman ya biakwa omu nyina moa nyentoa ba ndia sa nkofo ya omu ba be si akon so omu sai nema bebre because omu ba health insurance omu be san so betwam alawa na ye de ma nursing training for no omu ba betwam teacher training alawa ni nyina omu ba betwam
Yes, Minianum Emlantium. Say Omonto Abapa.
Okay. May I say 0202668461. 5 more minutes to go. Be part of the conversation. Femina Uncle 0202668461. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. Adaroma Odini baby a friend free.
We didn't fulfill me because I could afford your yoko.
Going past you into one of it.
Yo, young person mechanic, the best Ghana for. Then show how a man ye and which I name. My into about my dad for we see anymore. Share and then you bet you are waiting before the catch yourself. Almost create 1.6 million jobs. The purchase will create 1.6 million jobs. Let's say Juma Baku be a 25 forever. And you over 100 million population of our. I had been in 14% defense unemployment. Oh, just a Ghana for who say, we know me a profound that for. We can say free SHS. A friend of Munchini and I went to forecast of Munchini. I'm passing me and your papa. I don't know your papa went to Yande. So, my papa and uncle fine. It's a woman to Yan, you tell your papa to forecast. So, Munchini and I'm Palmer to Yande. Because you're on your papa.
Okay. Miss Omeda say,
Those are on the chimney.
no. Enye papa and say, well, yes, she, dear Baby Banova and Papa Maya 0202668461. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Adaroma Odini baby a friend free. I know I'm on this kakra mommy.
Mpacho on the Samuel Mukasa Ziniba.
Sabi into one of it.
Mommy Mestre, and Fleming Ghana for Monshe. Amani huni ni Hawaii kum. And fear 8 years here and another, but Monshe, Amani huni ni Hawaii kum. Ni ada some mother Diane. They seem about me still now, that's what I am. I am 12 years uncle for no. I am 12 Pama near that. Then I be the big, you don't have from. A Chinabian for Cassian Yanka. Not only for I'm took a cram no catching me. I'm done for
0202668461. 3 more minutes to go. My last caller now fail. Hello, last caller. Good morning. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Great. What am I doing? Baby, I'm free.
I'm against
Okay.
Good morning. Yeah, I get back on the country.
Oh, me too. Why?
I am not Ghana for the show. I'm waiting. I don't know which last to say. I'm waiting.
Dabi. Mwami. Nti mo phone mwami. Last call and Samra. O frame me a eya me ti o hu. Ba pese o tie de o kan. Last caller. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Owapa Diane.
Hey,
Diane. Diane, the American Ghana for Yemen now, the Uncle Papa. And that would be to say NBC for. Omuni policy papa bia mfa mo man. Saa nkofu ye kodi omachi ni di omano we mama kodina manso side oba bi mpato nkokai. Ye nim ni ye mfunso koto aba man NBC na NBC di oman so a. Oman no de be chense ya den ya ton oman. Ye masa kasa no entry. Because some of we do much ne do man gara ko jomo za no ka bibi on be to man ati ja pansam ti yenwan mbrantie ne maba wane ye mame mu peripom poto ba mu boni ndaho mu to ba pa na mamut ba umia eti me fa negwa na untimi e ko man ko lani na amoto eni eni.
Thank you, Regan. Me fakobia ebi rayeko. Minutes.
Asema bi twa to say ura bi kwa we can say free switches na nyama ya na ya o se politics nti ya nya mi say na ha adwene because ya dia na wo fancy ni nua no man na maybe ku school
no the man ko private school so mo
obwa free switches here papa kwa che private
right ko be ye
dia meka nyina ne say modaroma ye pese 2025
okay
ye nyina ye hia wo dokwan so nyankopon onye na ju so bekum bia kosi da ebedi afi be enti no make sure say abane ekoto no obi akoto baako Enye ntokwa.
Alright.
Enye bufu.
Nice.
Ochire kwadwene.
Okay.
Ma me fa akonye nchia me ma nyina, madofo nyina. Na nchia chema wuntumi. SMS nchia no. Samira ba omia ne headphone ya nchia. Me do bi ase.
Yada mo say mo amofrɛ mo amontimi amfrɛ mo amode message by man ka message from me fa me sorry